Today I'm going to be reviewing BRUBOSES Smartwatch. I want to thank BRUBOSES for sending this to me to review. I can tell you this is really substantial. I'm going to open up the box. Let's see what it is, what we got, and we'll go from there. This is everything that you get in the box. What's nice is you get a stainless steel band and a rubber. I went ahead and put the rubber band on. It charges, it's like a shock charger, and then there's this bracelet. Not sure why that's there. So to charge it, you just put it on there, and then it's got the USB on the back. Let's take a look at this. I mean, it is nice. I mean, this does everything. It's waterproof. This is what the front is. You can actually choose different settings. It's unbelievable how inexpensive these watches are getting and what they can do. But yeah, you can pick which one you want. I think on like Apple Watches, these are called complications, where you can have different information, heartbeat, and all that. So you can set it up however you want it. And then if you push it again, there's also other features right there. So you can do exercising, cycling, the types of workouts, and you can just scroll through those. You can adjust the length of time the screen is on, but you can see on here all the different stuff that you can do through there. Really nice. This will last about 5 to 7 days with heavy use, 30 days on standby, and it does come with an app you can download. What's nice, when you turn on the watch, when you first turn it on, it'll give you a QR code to get that app, and you're good to go. It's compatible with most iOS 9.0 and Android 4.4 and above. Built-in hi-fi speakers, so you can do phone calls, microphone, all of those things come with this. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4 stars, 548 reviews, and last month, September of 2025, this sold 500. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.